Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos and for the support I've gotten so far. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos coming up. So today we're going to be doing another cleaning video, and this is going to be kind of my speed cleaning routine. I don't really have a lot of time to be cleaning today, so this is just going to be an overview of what I need to do whenever my house is just kind of all out of sorts. This isn't going to be a deep cleaning video by any means. This is just basically to clean up everything in the house after a weekend of just kind of letting it go. So this is me just showing you everything that is a mess in the house. And I'm sorry about the lighting. I got a new camera that I'm borrowing from my brother, and I'm still trying to figure it out. So some things look lighter and some things look darker, and I apologize. I will get it figured out. So thanks again for watching, and let's get started. So this is my finished product. As you can see, it took me quite a while. This is kind of a longer video than I've done before, but it was actually not so bad. It only took me about an hour and a half to do everything. And the only things that I didn't get done were the kids' bedrooms, the playroom, and then our bedroom. And I will probably be making another video showing you that since I haven't done that in the past. I also wanted to mention the little kitty cat that follows me around the entire time that I'm cleaning is our cat Isley, and I've gotten quite a few comments about her. I don't know what to do with her. She's just always there, so I just let her be in my videos. So anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and I hope you're motivated to clean along with me. Please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you don't miss any future videos. Leave me some comments down below on what you would like to see in my next videos. And thank you guys so much again for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye.